Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. I'm really excited to show you how I managed to earn a huge number of coins in the game Hamster Kombat using a modified app. This app is super cool, and I'll be walking you through how it works. So, as you can see on my iPhone screen, the app we're using is called Hamster Kombat. It's an app that integrates with Telegram and works the same. However, the twist is that with this modified version, you can get an incredible amount of coins, which you can actually withdraw. Let me show you how it works. When I open the app, you can see I have a ton of coins already. The best part is that withdrawing them is really simple. And don't worry, this app is compatible with both iOS and Android devices, so everyone can join in on the fun. In this video, I'll guide you step by step through the process of using the app and earning those coins. It's really easy, so just follow along and you'll be all set. Alright, if you're ready, let's get started with the tutorial. Before you can use this method, there are some settings you need to change. These settings apply only for iOS devices. If you are on an Android device, you can skip this part and move on to the next step. Head into your settings, tap on General, and make sure that Background App Refresh is turned on, either for Wi-Fi or for both Wi-Fi and mobile data. This ensures the app can run smoothly in the background. Next, swing by your battery settings and switch off low power mode. This feature can slow down your device, which we definitely don't want happening. With these two settings tweaked, you're all ready to move on to the next step. What you need to do next is open up your internet browser, in my case it's Safari, and go to the website called rocketmods.com. Rocketmods is a website where you can find many apps and games with amazing features. Once you are on the website, search for Hamster Kombat and click on it. Here you will see some information about the app. To start the download, click on the green button and wait some time for the installation to finish. However, there is one more step that you need to complete before you can finish the installation. This step may vary depending on your device model and operating system, and usually involves some pretty simple steps. Don't worry, this step is very easy and quick, and there will be a video tutorial on how to complete it. Just follow the instructions and you should be fine. So, that's it guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.